In this video, I'll share with you 3 Google sites that you may not know but yet have a lot to offer. Stick around because you may just discover something new. Jackie here, and let's get started. Have you watched everything on Netflix and you're looking for something new? Well, stick with me and I'll take you to this Google site to watch new movies. Let's go. So simply type in what to watch in your search, and then it will display all the movies. And the beauty is that it will even group them according to themes. You have drama, thriller, comedy, love, and animation. Now when you move to the top right, you can edit the service that you subscribe to by selecting it. So once it's selected, you're going to be able to only have movies that are related to the selected service. Now you can click on any movie. Let's click on this one, and below it will have all information about this movie. Now the beauty is to the extreme right, it will even show us where to watch it and if we need a subscription to watch it. Moving on to the next site, Apply Digital Skills with Google.com. Let's go. So to get to the site, simply type in your search, Apply Digital Skills with Google.com. This will land you to Teach and Learn Practical Digital Skills site. So once you scroll down, it will prompt you to tick any of these fields. What best describes you? So click on any of these that suits you. So I'll click on Learner. And when I scroll down before I start, you notice lessons for learning anytime, free of charge. Gain job-ready skills, project-based lessons, no tech experience required. So now to start, we click on Start Now. And then choose an account to continue to Apply Digital Skills. So choose this account. Sorry for the slow internet. So I have prompts here. What brings you to Apply Digital Skills? Choose what best describes you. I am learning on my own. Click that, and then next. So I have another prompt. What's your goal for learning technology skills? Grow in my career, or you can select whatever works for you, and then next. What do you want to be able to do? We recommend some lessons based on your goals. Select all that apply. So you have many options to select. I'll click on write in a document, communicate at work, and then communicate information on a slide presentation. Yeah. And then click on Start Learning. So always select what works for you. So now here is my dashboard. I can check it out and explore what's there. I can go to my profile and then select a language, and then email preferences. I'm at least 18 years old and I agree to be contacted for feedback, product improvement purposes, and announcements. I'll select yes. I can now go back to home and then start my first lesson. So when you scroll down, you'll notice that there are lessons already prepared by Google for me to start learning. Do you love travel? Now google.com/travel is the site to use. It's a very powerful site filled with a lot of information. Let's get to it. So to start, go to your search and type in google.com/travel. This will land you to this site, And then you can navigate around. You have travel, explore, flights, hotels, and vacation rentals. So let's start with travel. Where are we going to? Let's put in a destination. So this will give us information about our destination, including the weather forecast and the pricing. That's for the flight charges. Moving on to explore. Explore is good if you are planning quite ahead. Fill in your destination. And then feed in the dates. So this will give you the flight costings, as you can see, and then it will also give you the different places around with the costings, and with this you can make an informed decision. Going to flights, same thing. Feed in your destination, feed in your dates, and then when you scroll down you notice that you have a write-up of flights with the different costings. So the beauty about this is that it has a price tracker. So once you enable this, you'll be able to get updates about the cheapest flights. So let's enable that. So with this, you'll be able to receive price update emails every time there is an update, whether it's prices going low or prices going high. You'll get that update and then make an informed decision. You can also do that by going to the price graph. Click on that. And then go through your graph. Check the prices using your graph. As you can see, the prices go lower as I move towards this side, and then as I move towards this side, that's the dates for the 2-day trip. Still it's a little bit lower, then it keeps hiking, it keeps going low. So you can still use the price graph to check your prices to make an informed decision. So moving on to hotels, same thing. Feed in your destination. And then feed in the check-in and check-out dates. As you scroll down, you notice that you have hotels around your destination with the prices. So this will be very helpful for you to make an informed decision for your trip. Same thing with vacation rentals. Feed in your destination, dates, and all the details that are necessary. And then scroll down and still you'll have the different residences with the pricings, and then you select accordingly. So the next time you want to travel, be sure to use google.com/travel. Now that you know about the sites, feel free to go to the comments section and let me know your experiences with these sites, or even add to the list. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our next video. Bye for now.